Ever wonder how to turn your garden into a precision-powered paradise? Today, I'm taking you on a full tour of the essential garden tools and the latest tech that'll save you time, energy, and loads of frustration. Let's start with the basics. Every thriving garden needs a few trusty hand tools. I always reach for my sturdy spade, sharp pruning shears, and reliable rake. They really are the backbone of every job I do out here. Trust me, skipping on quality just leads to bent handles and wasted money. And don't underestimate a solid wheelbarrow or garden cart. Lugging heavy soil or mulch is no joke, and having the right cart saves my back every single time. Comfort really does matter, especially if you're out here for hours. Now let's get a bit techie. Smart irrigation systems are a total game changer. They water your plants exactly when needed, so you're not wasting a drop, and your plants stay happy. I pair mine with a soil moisture sensor to keep an eye on exactly when my garden needs a drink. Got a bigger patch? Electric tillers and cultivators are a lifesaver for loosening up soil fast, letting me spend more time planting and less time sweating over the dirt. Here's my best tip. Match your tool to your task. Don't use pruners where you need a shovel, and don't guess when your plants need water. Let the tech help you out, and always keep your tools clean and sharp. A well-kept tool lasts longer and makes every job smoother. So, that's my tour of the tools and tech that keep my garden thriving. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join our gardening family for more tips that actually work. Your garden and your arms will thank you.